Alrighty, well today we're taking a look at our 1961 Chevrolet Biscayne. This is an absolutely gorgeous Restomod. It's got a beautiful restoration, so let's do a slow walk around to see the condition, and then we'll go for a test drive. You can already see up front the chrome looks absolutely beautiful. The headlight bezels and grille all look gorgeous. The paint has a beautiful shine and reflection. It's a light gold metallic paint. Let's look down the passenger side of the body here. The body is nice and straight. The car does have four-wheel power disc brakes, rebuilt 283 motor. Let's see down here by the rockers. The body's nice and clean all the way to the bottom of the rockers. The panels have a good fit. That door gap is nice and tight. Bottom of the rear quarters nice and clean. See, the rear chrome again is in beautiful condition, absolutely gorgeous. Alright, let's look down the driver's side of the body here. Oh yeah, nice and straight again, clean all the way to the bottom of the quarters there and the rear valance. Wow. Just a gorgeous car. Let's take a peek inside. It does have tinted windows. Door seal's brand new. The door panel looks beautiful. Inside the door jamb is nice and clean and detailed. There's our VIN tag. Oh wow, it's beautiful in here. Nice painted dash. Aftermarket tachometer there on the column. Beautiful seats. Wow. As well as the rubber Chevy full-size floor mats too. Just a beautiful Biscayne. Oh, and it also has vintage air conditioning under the dash setup here. Looks really nice. Alright, let's open the hood and listen to her run. Engine fires right up. Exhaust is blowing nice and clear, sounds great. Engine's idling really smooth. It's got nice headers, poly 4-barrel carburetor, chrome air conditioning and alternators, chrome brake booster, heavy duty aluminum radiator. Just a really nice engine build. It does have a racing fan as well. Beautiful, beautiful engine bay. All right, let's get her out on the road. Great acceleration. The car drives nice and straight. That 283 actually has a lot of power. The disc brakes feel good. This car does have a 700 R4 transmission automatic, so it is a 4-speed. Kickdown works really good. Cruising along about 50 miles an hour. Again, the car feels nice and straight. Brakes feel good. It doesn't pull to the left or right when I mash on the brakes here. Just a really nice driving Biscayne.